Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut arroz con gandules. So I can show you pasito pasito. To our pot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 packet of sazon, some adobo to your taste, garlic powder, 1 packet of ham seasoning, 1 can of the gandules with coconut, 1 can of tomato sauce. Now we're gonna stir and we're gonna leave this on the stove for like 2 minutes at medium-high heat. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of rice. I already rinsed the rice off. And we're gonna add 13 ounces of coconut milk. Now we're gonna stir. Now we're gonna cover it for like 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're gonna stir the rice. We're gonna tuck it like this and put it nice and cute. And then we're gonna cover for another 20 minutes. Look how delicious this arroz con gandules with coconut came out. Look, look, look. Let's taste.